towed in, as you can see right there. 2012 Caravan. They say when they jump this car off, you can start it, but when you remove your jump box, the car simply dies. Now, one would simply think the alternator's at fault, but guys, we're gonna do some testing. We're not just gonna condemn the alternator, but first let me duplicate it. I got my battery jump box hooked up. Let me turn it on. Let me go fire it up and see what happens. Okay, push the start system. Let's see. Uh-oh, it's running. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, 11.4. It's definitely not charging it. But again, before you condemn the alternator, run your test. I'm not just going to automatically say the alternator bad. What I'm going to do is the field terminal. This is a tricky way to explain. This is basically a hack that I put into place years ago. How I can tell if an alternator simply not putting out. So yes, we definitely running off my jump box right now. So in the event I remove this, let's see. Ah, y'all see that? It died right away. Yes, the alternator is definitely not doing its job at the present moment. It looks like a good battery, but you can't tell by looks, guys. You got to get this stuff load tested. You got to get that alternator checked. All right, guys, so I got the car running. As you can see, it's not charging, mainly because the field terminal is off. I have down there. So what I do is take my test light. I got it connected to ground. I want to see if the PCM commanding the alternator to do its thing. I don't know which one, so I'm going to do both. If I get, yeah, y'all see that light? Now you're not going to get it over here because that come out of the alternator. But guys, the PCM is doing its job. You know what that tells me? We got a bad alternator. I'll explain more in depth what I'm doing right here. These short videos won't let me talk that much, but technically we need an alternator, guys. Real quick, I'm in the process of getting this alternator out. Let me tell y'all a secret, guys, a real secret to get this out. Y'all see that? Yes, guys, all you have to do is remove the fan. Now, this is a Caravan, so this applies to any 2011 through 2020 Caravan. Once you get the fan out the way, you can bring that alternator up from the top, as opposed to removing the compressor, draining the AC, all of that stuff. Just unbolt it from right here and just finagle it from that point. Okay, now I will caution you, be extremely careful with this radiator, guys. The slightest little tick on that radiator can give you hair and cause you leaks. Okay, so bring that out with extreme caution. Okay, did I get it? Yes. There you have it, guys. Okay, now notice what I'm going in with. A Mopar or no parts. Yeah, I know the tricks and sayings out there, guys, but yeah, just a little top secret I want to share with my subscribers. Just remove the fan, condenser fan, and once you get that out, you got plenty of